Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. So now we're going to make a decorative edge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pie crust and I'm just going to crimp the edges like so. And you're going to do it all the way around. And there's many types of edges you can do. This is just one that's pretty easy for me and I like to do. It looks nice. Another thing you could do is if you have a lot of extra dough left over, you can actually cut out with cookie cutters different shapes and you could do leaves, things of that sort, and place that on top of your pie. But again, this is just an easy one. And that is how you make a decorative edge on your pie crust.